Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, good afternoon. Today is the last class of Max in this week, and after that you are going to get Onam vacation. Next class will be on 7th. Okay, so I hope that I can finish off that chapter by today's class, because we just started the topic circle, the last topic of the big chapter circle we started, and we can finish off. Okay. There is no homeworks to discuss also. So let me start this topic circle. Circle. Okay. Hope that you all had your lunch. After the class you can go for sleep. Now please listen. Maximum students have to join the class sharp 140. Circle, what is meant by a circle? Circle is a closed figure. It's a closed figure. Actually, there is a definition for a circle. Circle is the locus of the point which moves in such a way that always it will keep the same distance from the fixed point. That you will study in 10th standard. That means, see, circle, always, see, one point, suppose, it travels such that, how it travels such that always it will keep a fixed distance from a fixed point. Fixed point is the center O. From this O, this traveling point will follow a fixed distance. If this is R, this also R. This also R. That's the meaning. This is the traveling point. Traveling point will always keep a fixed distance from a fixed point. Fixed point is the circle, center. From the center, this point can travel anywhere, but it has to satisfy one condition. What is that condition? It should keep a it should keep a fixed distance. Distance measurement won't change. If this is 6 centimeter, this also 6, this also 6, this also 6. Like that, it has to finish. Likewise, it has to finish its traveling. That is the definition of the circle. 10th standard teacher, if they ask, you can tell, yes, 8th standard we studied. Okay? What is the definition of the circle? Circle is the path of a point. This is the traveling point, P. Path, its path, traveling path. How it has to travel? According to one condition. What is the condition? It should always keep a fixed distance, a constant distance from a fixed point. Fixed point is center O. From this, always it has to keep a fixed distance. So it has to come, it can't go here and there. It will come in this shape. That's the definition of circle. Now, yesterday I told what is meant by diameter, what is meant by radius. Diameter equal to 2 times radius. Everything will be there in your notebook. Then, what is meant by a chord? Chord is a straight line which touches any 2 points on this. Okay. One by one, let me, one by one. Listen to me. Chord is a straight line which touches at any 2 points of the circle. Diameter is also a chord, but diameter is the largest chord, biggest chord, diameter. Okay. How many? I will ask you. First you listen to me. How many diameters you can draw? Many diameters you can draw. Then what is meant by a segment? Segment means if a chord divides a circle into 2 parts, each part is known as a segment. If a chord divides, this is a chord. If this chord divides the circle into 2 parts, first part, second part, each part is known as segment. Okay? Big part, major segment, small part, minor segment. What is meant by a sector? Sector means cake shape. See, cake piece shape. That means, what is its definition? Sector is the portion of a circle which is bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc. 2 radii and 1 arc. That is the definition of sector. That also, this is a minor sector. Shaded one is a minor sector. Unshaded one is the major sector. See its shape. Its shape you see. This also a segment. You may think that no, we are not cutting the cake in this shape. That doesn't matter here, okay? This is also a segment because yes, it's bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc. This arc became lengthy. That's not our mistake, okay? So this is also a sector. This is also a sector bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc, okay? This is major one. The remaining portion is the minor one, okay? Then, okay. These many things. Anything else I told you? No, I didn't tell you anything. This much only, okay? Now, what is meant by circumference of a circle? See, perimeter we were using for ball. Perimeter we were using, but for circle, same meaning. Perimeter we will use circumference. If it is for a circle, we won't use the word perimeter. Instead, we will use the word circumference, meaning same. Circumference means total length of the boundary. Thus, this one. Total length of this boundary is known as, this is known as circumference. If you want, you can tell perimeter, no problem. But what I told, usually we were telling this perimeter. If it is for a circle, we won't use the word perimeter. Instead, we will use circumference. Circumference, okay. Circumference of all of you write. Already picture is there in your notebook, so no need to draw the picture again. No need to draw. Instead, you write circumference of a circle is equal to, formula is 2 into pi into r. Right. All of 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Right. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Right. That's a fixed formula. Here r means radius. Pi is a constant. It has a fixed value. What is the value? 3.14. Okay, you write. In bracket you write where. Let me write here. In bracket you write where pi equal to 3.14 in decimal form. In fraction form, pi value 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Two values are there, either 3.14 or 22. If they didn't tell anything, you can take the value. Anyway, one value we need. Don't write pi as such. 22 by 7 use. Okay? If nothing they told, you have to use 22 by 7. That's more easy to calculate. Simplification, cutting and will come. But sometimes in the question paper or in the textbook, they will write, after the question, they will write pi, you take 3.14. That time you have to take 3.14 itself. Both are same. 22 by 7, if you are cutting, you will get almost 3.14 you will get. So fraction for, no, 1 by 2 or 0.5, both you can use, no? Same meaning. Likewise, both you can use. Same. It represents the same person. Okay. So what is the circumference formula? 2 pi r. Shall I write? See, pi into, what is 2r? What is 2r? Or what is 2? Diameter. 2 into radius is the diameter. So instead of 2r, I am writing d. So if I am writing pi d also, no problem. Either I can tell 2 pi r or I can tell pi d. Both the same. Because 2r, instead of 2r, I can write d. So either you write 2 pi r or you write pi d. Circumference of a circle. Okay. Pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Pi value, it's a constant. About pi and all, there is a small history that I will tell you while you come to the school. Okay. That pi value, who decided and why it came. Actually pi stands for a Greek letter, and how it is 3.14. Who told its values? That by experience mathematicians found its values 3.414. That I will tell you later. Now you study like this. Next, area of a circle. Area. Area of a circle. Oh, Area of a circle. Did you study? Pi into r square. Pi r square. Right? Pi r square. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. That also, see, textbook they will write pi like this, or like this. I was using like that anyway, okay. Pi r square is the area of the circle. Pi into, that means 22 by 7 into r, okay. So, two formulae you know. Area of the circle means inside part. Circumference of the circle means this length, yeah, length only, okay. First question. Find the radius and area of a circle. Find the radius and area of a circle. Find the radius and area of a circle whose circumference is 132 centimeter. Whose circumference is 132 centimeter. Whose circumference is 132 centimeter. They are asking what is the area. Okay. So you write. Please understand the questions, very easy questions. Okay, if you know the formula, you can do. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. First you write the formula, that equal to 132. 2 pi r equal to 132. So, r equal to, first we have to find r, then only area formula pi r square. In that we need the value of r. So, we have to find r. To get that r only they have given this clue. From this all of you find r. After getting that r, you substitute in pi r square, okay? Okay. 132 by 2 pi. R equal to 132 by 2 pi equal to 132 by 2 into 22 by 7. So, equal to 132 into 7 by 2 into 22. 7 will go up while you are taking the reciprocal. 2 yes. Then in 22, 3 times. So 21. 21. R you got 21 centimeter. Therefore, area equal to pi r square equal to 22 by 7 into, what you got, 21 into 21. Get the answer? Very easy. 7 in 21 3 times. 22 into 21 into 3. Get the answer. If you know the formula, this chapter is easy. Area formula pi r square, circumference formula 2 pi r. From that you will get r. Simplification you want to know. After getting the r, that r you substitute here and get the value. What? 1,000? 1,308. Are you getting by doing only, no? You are not copying. I told yesterday, if you can simplify within time in the class, you are getting the practice. So for the exam also you can succeed. If you are simply copying for that, you may think that today, no problem. For time being, let me copy. Tomorrow also you will think, today. Chapters will go like this and you won't get any experience, okay? Next question. Any doubt in this? Next question. Find the circumference of the circle. Reverse question. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is. Whose area is 24.64 meter square. 24.64 meter square. Find circumference of the circle whose area is 24.64 meter square. Area equal to area of a circle equal to pi r square equal to 24.64. 24.64 equal to pi into r square. From that you get the value of r. After getting that or r only, we have to substitute in the circumference formula. Okay, here just a reverse of the previous question. There circumference they have given and we have to find the area. Here area they have given, we have to find the circumference. Anyway, first you have to find the value of r. How? This is you write 22 by 7. Then 24.64 into 7 by 22 equal to r square. If decimal problem is there, you multiply by 100. 2464 into 7 by 22 into 100. Multiply by 100. Numerator also I multiplied by 100. So decimal removed. Denominator, okay, 100 will be there. Now 22, 11. 11 twos are here 2. Then again 11. Most probably 11 will go in this. 11. 1 11s are 11. 1 11s are 11. 2 11s are 22. So 112 into 7 by 100. 112 into 7. Equal to r. Now you have to find its square root. You have to find its square root. R equal to root of 784 by 100. What is division method? We can use, no? Division method. $28 maybe. Yes, 8. Division 28. 28 by 100, its square root is 10. So 2.8 centimeter equal to R. R you got as 2.8 centimeter. Then you take circumference formula and substitute. If any doubt, you can ask. I am giving you the time to do by yourself. Division method or prime factorization method you will get. Okay. Now you substitute in circumference formula. Simplification and all. If you are not getting from the class, you do one thing after the class again. I do every day I am telling, take care of book and do the same problem again. That time you check whether are you getting. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.8. Now you got r as 2.8. Get the answer 7. If you want, you remove the decimal. Otherwise 7 in 28 it will go. 4 7s are 28. So I wrote 0.4. 7.4. Not simply 4 because it is 2.8. I have to put the decimal. What is its unit? Centimeter. Perimeter, that's the meaning of circumference. So, unit is centimeter. Not centimeter, meter. Okay, okay. Meter. Okay. Oh, here also meter. Meter. Next question. The perimeter of a square whose each side is 22 centimeter. The perimeter of a square whose each side is 22 centimeter is the same as circumference of a circle. Is the same as circumference of a circle. Once more, the perimeter of a square whose side is 22 centimeter is the same as the circumference of a circle. What is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? All of you read the question. What is the area of the circle? What is the area of the circle? Okay. How to do? Read the question. Perimeter of a square whose side is 22 centimeter. If you want, you can draw. Yes. If you want, you draw the picture. Perimeter of a square equal to 4a. 4 into 22, 88 centimeter. Centimeter or meter? Centimeter. Okay. Now they told that this is the same as the perimeter of the circle. Circumference of the circle means, so circumference of the circle, what's the formula? Of circle, 2 pi r. That 2 pi r equal to this 88 you take. That's what they told. What you are getting as a circumference of, perimeter of the square, that will be same as the circumference of the circle. So 88 equal to 2 pi r. This 2 pi r I can equate with 88. That idea you have to read and get it. Find the area of the circle. Now 88 equal to 2 pi r. From that you have to get the value of r. After getting r, you have to find the area of the circle using the formula pi r square. Clear? You do? Joseph Joshi is there. Joseph Joshi. Mebina. So absentees, no? Joseph Joshi, Mebina, Muhammad Ridwan, not there. Pete, who is? Pete, okay, Pete is there. Razel Sharif, Savio Poli, no. Ma'am, how many of them joined? 40. Out of 90, 40 students joined, okay. Anyway, the teachers, the school, they are doing their own duty. If you are doing your duty, okay. Otherwise, no one will be behind of you to teach these things, okay. You can't blame Corona also. We all are doing our own work. You also have to do your work. That's all. R you will get as 88 by 2 pi. 88 by 2 into 22 by 7. 88 into 7 by 44. Yes. Area equal to, who all are speaking? One, okay, one is Achu. No? Then who? And Anlit is there. Alicia is there. Alicia Joby. Pete, not Achu, it is Pete? Yeah. Okay. Good. Equal to pi r square. 14 into 14. 7, 2 times. 44 into 14. Answer is 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. Next question. Any doubt on this? You have to see that a circumference of the square and circumference of the circle both are same, and we did. Next question. In the given figure, you write. Next question. In the given figure, inner circumference of the path is 176 meter. Inner circumference of the path is 176 meter. Inner circumference, that means inside. Inner circumference of the path is 176 meter, and width of the path is 3.5 meter. Width of the path is 3.5 meter. Find the area of the path. Find the area of the path. All of you draw this picture. Quick. Shade it. Okay. Shade it. Center O mark. Okay. Question once more. In the given figure, inner circumference, inside circumference. This is the inner circumference. Inside also one circle is there. Outside also one circle is there. Inner circumference means encircles circumference. Inner circumference of the path is 176 meter. And uniform width of the path is 3.5 meter. Okay, you mark 3.5 meter. This is 3.5, or this is 3.5, or this is 3.5, or anywhere you can mark 3.5. Okay. Listen, all of you. Did you draw the picture? Yes. Two circles are there, so two radii will come here. You have to mark small r for small circle and capital R for big circle, okay? So, inner circumference means small circle circumference. So, that is 2 pi small r. You write circumference of small circle equal to 2 pi r. That equal to 176. From that, all of you get the value of small r. All of you get the value of small r. Two into 22 by 7 into r equal to 1. How many times we are doing the same type of problem? R equal to 176 into 7 by 2 into 22. What is that? Now you became very fast in doing the calculation. Meter or centimeter? Meter. Okay, this is path, 28 meter. Now you have to find the capital R also. How can you find the capital R? This is 28. That means you can mark in this is 28, small r. So this is capital R. How can you find capital R? Yes. Capital R means from here to here. From here to here it is 28. From here to here it is 3.5. So capital R equal to 28 plus 3.5. You write capital R equal to 28 plus 3.5. 31.5 meter. Capital R is the radius of the big circle. That's understood. Usually we were taking like that. From here to here it is 28. Then from here to here it is 3.5. So you will get the big R. Now, area, for what purpose we found these things? What they ask? Area of the path, shaded portion. How we will get the area of the path? How we will get the area of the path? Ah, area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Correct, correct, correct. All of you right. Area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion equal to area of big circle minus area of small circle. Area of big circle minus area of small circle, okay, equal to, what is area of big circle? Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi r square is the area of the big circle, pi r square is the area of the small. By telling both pi r square, but this is capital R. You do one thing, for the easy calculation, you can take pi outside. You can take pi outside. Then r square minus r square. Otherwise, both the time you have to substitute pi, no? To avoid that difficulty, we can take pi in common. And substitute and get the answer. Pi 22/7 into capital R 31.5 square minus small r 28 square. Oh, again calculation became very difficult, no? I'm asking, I forgot. 8th standard, we didn't study, no? No. Factorization. Did you study a square minus b square identity? Anybody? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Did you study the identities? Anybody? Somebody told no. Eh? Eh? Ah. See? Let me write here. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Did you study this identity? Studied? Yes. Oh. Then please write, those who forgot, write in the working column, not in the working column, right side, not in the working column, right side of the book, you write this identity for those who forgot. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. If you know that identity, this calculation will be easy. How? 22/7 into, here instead of a it is 31.5, instead of b it is 28. So apply here. 31.5 plus 28 into 31.5 minus 28. Otherwise 31.5 into 31.5 it will take time. So if you know a square minus b square expansion as a plus b into a minus b, you can write like that. Here instead of a 31.5, instead of b it is 28. So a plus b into a minus b according to this. This you have to write there then only. Okay. Now it will be easy. 22/7 into 3.5. That also multiplication comes, but now 7 and this one, 7 in 35, how many times? 5 times. But 0.5, because here 0.5 or simply 0.5. Okay. Now 22 into 59 point into 0.5. Then also this will be easy, I think. Otherwise, if you couldn't understand this, you can do our old method. What's the old method? 31.5 into 31.5, you will get a big number. 28 into 28, you will get 784, no? Then subtract. That's also okay. If you studied, why can't we apply? Okay. Either the old method, here onwards, you can select which method you need. Those who could understand, they can do this method. Others use your old method. That means mere multiplication. Okay. What is the answer? Points are coming, no? 654.5 meters square. 654.5 meters square. In between, let me tell one thing, please all of you listen. First term I didn't give any assignment, but this term we have, all the teachers have to give the assignment. So today I am going to give the assignment for 8th grade, and since you are getting some days as Onam holidays, you can do the work on that. You don't want 2-3 hours maximum, you can finish off your assignment. So any day before opening, you should be ready with your assignment submission. How to do that I will inform you later. And the topic of the assignment is polygons. Polygons. Please note down somewhere. Let me tell. Topic of the assignment, 2 small topics are there. I won't repeat, please listen. First topic, polygons. Under one max assignment, you can take, you did in 7th, 6th and all, no? Take A4 size sheet paper. First sheet you have to write max assignment 1. Max assignment 1, that's all. Okay, and your name also. And second sheet onwards, we will write, don't use the left side. Only one side you have to write. In A4 size sheet, only you have to write in one side. The other side don't use for writing. Topic, polygons and simple interest. First you write polygons. Under the heading polygons, if you are referring chapter 16 and 17, please note down in our textbook, chapter 16 and 17, you will get an idea about polygons. Okay. What all things you have to include? Just note down. What is meant by polygon? Different types. What is meant by convex and concave polygon? Everything will be there in the textbook, chapter number 16. Okay. Different types means quadrilateral, then pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, like that. If the number of sides are more, different names they have given. So it's better to draw one picture and write the name also. Then what is meant by convex and concave polygon? Then what is the sum of the angles of interior angles of a polygon? Sum of the interior angles of a polygon, how much, that you have to write as a note. Next you have to write sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, how much, how you got that you write. Sum of interior angles of a polygon, exterior angles of a polygon. Next you write what is meant by a regular polygon. What is meant by a regular polygon? What is meant by a regular polygon? And last you have to write what are the properties of quadrilaterals. Okay, you do one thing, simple interest not needed. I am not giving because this itself will take time. Simple interest is not there, only one topic, that is polygons. Only one topic, that is polygons. Let me tell once more. Let me tell max assignment 1. The first A4 size sheet you will write max assignment 1 and your name also, roll number also. Second page onwards you will write, only one side you will use. After drawing the margin and all, it will be neat. It will be a neat work. You okay. You can refer chapter 16 and 17 for this assignment. Assignment's topic name is polygons. Under that, what all subtopics are coming? What is meant by a polygon? What are the different types of polygon? What is meant by concave and convex polygon? What are the sum of the interior angles of a polygon? What are the sum of exterior angles of a polygon? What is meant by a regular polygon? And last one, properties of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is also a polygon. Quadrilateral is also a polygon. Polygon having 4 sides we will call quadrilateral. This quadrilateral, many types are there, no? Trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus and all. Okay, it's properties only. No need to write the formula of area, perimeter, nothing we need. Properties means diagonals will bisect each other at right angle for rhombus. Diagonals are equal for rectangle. Diagonals are not equal for parallelogram. Likewise, some properties are there in connection with each quadrilateral. That only you have to write. Otherwise, no need to write area, perimeter, everything that we have already studied, no? That not needed. Is it clear? Yes. Clear? Okay. Then come to the class. Come to the class. Next, 20D, exercise 20D. 20D, question number 6 we are doing. Question number 6. Question number 6. Find, you can see the textbook, 20D, question number 6. Find the area of the shaded portion in each of the following diagrams. Okay. First diagram you draw, second diagram also you draw. We will do together. Okay. 20D, question number 6. D question number 6. First subdivision, there is a square, I think. Square. Square. They didn't tell anything, no? Then one circle. Rough figure. Okay. 7 centimeter. Draw 7 centimeter. Then shade this part. Okay. How can you find the area of this figure? Shaded portions area only I need. I don't want the full. So, first you find the area of the full square. From that you subtract the area of the circle. You will get the remaining part, correct? From the full area means square area. If you are subtracting the circle area, you will get the remaining part. You can do this work in the cardboard, no? If you are cutting, you will get. Yes. How you will get that cardboard pieces, that remaining portions? If you are trying to carving out a circle from a square piece, what will be its shape? That is the shape of this shaded portion. Okay. So what you will do? First, all of you find the area of the big square. Then you find the area of the circle. Then from the square you subtract area of the circle. You will get the remaining part. Can you do? Do now. But what is the side of the square? What is the side of the square? Yes. This is 7, no? So here also it is, here also it is 7. This is so. So this is 14. So this is also 14, 14, 14. Okay, you write. First you have to write area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion equal to area of the circle, no, area of the square minus area of circle. Area of a square, side into side. That is 14 into 14 minus area of circle. What is the formula for finding the area of the circle? Pi r square. Pi into what is r? 7 square, not 14. R is 7. R is 7. Got it? So 196 minus 22 by 7 into 49. Get the answer? I don't know, maybe centimeter square. Okay. Yes. Second subdivision as homework. Last I will tell which all are the homeworks. I will discuss only. All of you see the second figure. Second figure all of you see. How can you find the area of the shaded path? Like the last problem. Last worked out problem. How you will find the area of the path? Area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Yes. What is the radius of the big circle? All of you, okay? Even if 3, 4 are answering, I hope that others also can understand. Otherwise, I will tell now the students, anyway, I need this response. I like, but we have to give the chance to other students also. So this Pete, Alicia, Anlit and all, now your chance is over. Let me tell out some other names. Those students have to come up and respond to me. Shreya Ju. Shreya is not there. She used to, no. Shreya is not there. This is the problem. If I am calling some other name, they are not there. So I will call these same students. Alicia is there, no? Sure. Then to whom I have to call? Amala Mary. Angelo Ramsey. Angelo Ramsey. Amala Mary. Anybody in this list? Avani Bala. Ashlyn Josh. If you are not there, okay, I need these 4 students representing the 90 students, no? These students, okay, you can speak. Others, they are not ready. Okay, you can. So, next, second subdivision. What is the radius of the big circle? 4.5 meter. What is the radius of the small circle? 4.5 meter. Radius of the small circle is 2.5 meter. So what is the area of the shaded portion? Pi r square. Not to do now, from home. Second subdivision. Okay. Yes. And that you can do, like last problem, pi r square minus r square. Here you have to write area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Then 22 by 7 into, what is r square? 4.5 square minus, now this is a square minus b square. 22 by 7 into 4.5 plus 2.5 into 4.5 minus 2.5. Get the answer. That you do from home. Last answer. Next. Okay. Remaining part you almost over. Next, question number 7. This you will get the answer as 44 centimeter square, I think. 44, I think. Next, question number 7, all of you take. You can write after the class. Question you can write after the class. Radii of the inner and outer circumference of a circular running track are 63 and 70. Area of the track. You should draw the picture. Okay. Okay, all of you draw the picture. Running track. Shade. Okay. 63 and 70 meter. Okay, that means from here to here it is 63. From here to here that is 70. That's the meaning. Inner radii means inner circle's radius. That is 63. Outer circle's radius 70. Find the area of the track. How you will do? Same idea. Area of the big circle minus area of the small circle. Directly they are giving big circle's radius 70, small circle's radius 63. So pi r square minus pi r square. You will get the answer. Okay. First subdivision you can do from home, area of the track. Second subdivision, difference between the lengths of the two circumference of the track means second subdivision is equal to 2 pi capital R minus 2 pi small r. Circumference of both the circles you find, and then they need its difference. Difference between the lengths of the two circumference of the track. Anyway, you know capital R and small r. So why can't you use and get the answer? So 2 pi, it's common. So r minus r will come. 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R 70 minus 63. Get the answer. Get the answer. You will get the answer as 44 meter. 44 meter. First subdivision, you have to get the answer, okay? Area of the track. That you have to. Now, please mark the homeworks. Mark the homeworks. 20D. 20D, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 6, second subdivision. Almost we did in the class, if anybody is remaining. Question number 6, second subdivision, almost we did. Question number 7 also. Second subdivision we did, first subdivision, okay? Question number 7, question number 8, question number 9. Clear? Other questions. But one more period I need to complete the other problems also. 10 onwards we have to discuss again the problems, okay? Let it be there. Then, so, any doubt from this class? Anybody, any doubt? You can ask. Anybody, any doubt? No. Okay, so next we will see on 7th September, Monday. For that day, what all things I will tell you. First, assignment. Assignment is there, and these homeworks also. Okay. Then after 1 week, you may have your first term examination. That time you will get the syllabus. What all chapters you have to study for the first term, and you have to use the time for that also. Okay. So, for all of you, I wish you a very happy Onam. Thank you. Thank you.